All right, my friends. So we've got Mark Awesome in the chat, and this is his box. Ooh, this feels like a nice box. I'm kidding. I can't. I can't tell any difference. Yeah, Sapphire Tennis, right? Everything, you know. So it's like, yeah, almost a load. I remember doing a video where I said that the product we were opening had saved this one for Phil on it, and people believed it. It was so funny. I mean, I thought it was funny. I guess other people got mad, but I thought it was hysterical. Dark Phoenix, Mighty Thor, Iceman, and oh wow, who is that? What does that say? Guardians of the Galaxy. Took over Ego, the living planet. Dormammu to 199. I still have a couple. I still have a couple cases of tennis. I bought it on Black Friday. 4, and the reason I bought it, Electra and Sprite, is it would be a really cheap like player break. I just haven't had time. Ant-Man, Power Blast. You know what I mean? Like I've been so busy that I just haven't had time to do it. But you know, I figured it'd be a fun break, a cheap break. Doctor Doom, Silver Surfer, and Black Knight, Moon Knight. So I'll just wait until like there's a major coming up or something like that, and then I'll post it. You know? Spider-Man, Emma Frost, Black Widow, and Black Widow. It's funny, this is the same scene for the most part. Wolverine. Do you guys remember getting these Marvel cards out of Crunch and Munch boxes? I mean, you'd have to be my age to remember this, but they had Crunch and Munch, which is kind of like Cracker Jacks, only better. And they had full-sized one-card packs. I think they were one-card packs. I was trying to get the Incredible Hulk and the Wolverine, but the artwork on the Crunch and Munch cards was amazing. Annihilus, Colossus, and War Machine. Oh, he ripped out Thanos' spine. That's not nice. Spider-Man and Spider-Man. Ghost Rider. Ghost Rider's cool. Black Bolt. Vision. Scarlet Witch. Thor. And Wolverine. Winter Soldier, Sam Wilson, Black Panther, and Jessica Jones, Power Blast. Better A Bill, Namer, it's a nice Namer, Nova, Iridescent Spider-Man. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Very cool card. Black Panther, Bullseye, Magneto, and Sabretooth. They really could have done more with that character in the movies. You know, Sabretooth. That was such a wasted opportunity. They had the perfect actor for it, too. Captain America, Captain Marvel, Black Bolt, and Silk. Alright. It's probably a pin. Yep, pin Flair. Oh, that's a cool one though. Miles Morales. That's a cool one. That's very cool. That's awesome. Man, that's a cool one. It's manufactured, don't get me wrong, but I just like it. Plus, it's pretty rare. Yeah. Miles Morales. It's a weapon. You throw it. Who does that? Gambit, right? Throws the cards. All right, Mark, awesome. Let's take a look at it. So you got the Miles Morales and Silk Sabretooth. You got the Spider-Man Iridescent, Jessica Jones, Wolverine, Black Bolt, War Machine, Black Widow, Moon Knight. You got a Power Blast Ant-Man riding a wasp. I don't know. And Dormammu. Dormammu. It's $1.99. All right, let me just double check, see if anybody got a box. But 1 second, let me save your video.